Diabetes means anytime in your blood, if you check your sugar, blood glucose once, and if that level is high, it's called hyperglycemia or high blood glucose. When we talk about diabetes or when we talk about diabetes in pregnancy, we think it's all the same, but actually there can be people who are diabetic, type 1, type 2 people who get pregnant, and those also have diabetes during pregnancy. And then there are people who are not diabetic, but they get pregnant. As soon as they get pregnant, they come to know that they are diabetic. These two kind of diabetes is different. And the other one, which today we'll talk at length, gestational diabetes, in which you get diabetes only 24 to 28 weeks of pregnancy. So to clear the air, like there's so much diabetes and blood glucose going on, diabetes in pregnancy or hypoglycemia in pregnancy ko bhन्छ नि जुन सुरुमा we just have to be careful for people who are planning is it's a good idea to get your blood glucose tested, because you might be asymptomatic, you might not know कि तिमीलाई आफूलाई sugar छ. When you have high blood glucose and you get pregnant, actually बच्चाहरुमा you can get some congenital issues like anomalies. But other than that, I think what we have to be careful is that, especially if you're a diabetic, if you're already diagnosed type 2 or type 1 diabetic, you have to make sure that your HbA1c is below 6 and it has to be a planned conception. Second is that you have to understand that if you get diagnosed with diabetes as soon as you're pregnant, before your 24 weeks, most of the time you need to start medication, and also you really need to start insulin, because त्यो बेलामा your बच्चा is developing, you have organogenesis, बच्चाको organs बनिरहन्छ. And if in high blood glucose this thing happens, you might end up with some congenital anomalies. And lastly, which today is the information that we are going to share, is about gestational diabetes. It is one of the most common diabetes in pregnancy. Usually 24 to 28 weeks ma huncha. यसमा चाहिँ genetics, like if your mom, your dad, or your aunt was diabetic, obviously you have a higher risk, but more to do with the hormonal stimulation ले पनि हुन्छ कि there are a lot of female hormones that are very much high after 24 to 28 weeks, and त्यसले गर्दा पनि you are more predisposed to get this gestational diabetes. अब test के गर्ने? If you really want to know 100% the gold standard, how do I get to know that I have भनेपछि, when you are pregnant or you're planning for pregnancy, you have to go for the OGTT, which is the oral glucose tolerance test. This was they actually give you go empty stomach, they check your blood glucose, and then they give you 75 grams of glucose, and each hour, 2 to 3 hours, every hour they check your blood glucose to see ki, did that glucose really bring your blood glucose high or not. But sometimes life is not convenient. You can't say like somebody from Pokhara came, or somebody from Banepa came and then tells me that I can't come back to the clinic. So this what we do is we give a GCT test. So it's called glucose challenge test, where you don't have to be empty stomach, but what they do is they give you a certain amount of glucose and see ki kati bhayo. So it's more like a convenient test rather than a gold standard, but it kind of gives you an idea ki okay, this is it, like am I on the higher range, am I okay भनेर. One thing we have to understand about diabetes in pregnancy is that what we want to see is fetal outcome, your baby has to be safe. Whereas when we treat type 2 diabetes, it's completely different. Type 2 diabetes, my worry is that long-term complication now is आँखा नबिग्रोस्, kidney नबिग्रोस्, you don't have a heart attack, you don't have a stroke. So my goals are कि 5 to 10 years you are healthy, you don't get complications from diabetes. When I'm treating gestational diabetes or any kind of hyperglycemia in pregnancy, mine is short-term goal, that this blood glucose high does not go into the baby and cause fetal bad outcome. The high surge that the glucose goes cannot go into the baby and cause harm in that fetus. So what we usually do is we also see not 2 hours सम्म कुरे नकुरेकन, we see एकै घण्टामा कि खाने बित्तिकै त 300 त पुगेन नि, because we know 3 घण्टापछि if the sugars are 70 and if within an hour you cannot digest that sugar and it's 200, it's causing the fetus harm. So that is why there's also a difference in the time, where we say that in pregnancy it's better to test 1 hour.